Hello students, in today's session we are going to start chapter number 14, factorization. So here, what is the meaning of factor? As we know that factorization is finding factors, and factor means an exact divisor of a number. A number which divides exactly to a number is known as the factor. So for example, we can take 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Why we are saying all these are factors? As 1, 2 and 3, 6 when divides 6. Then we get in division process remainder is 0. So we can say 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Now we can say the factors of 24, that numbers which exactly divide 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 50, factors of 50 are 1, 5, 10, 25 and 50. So here it is clear the meaning of the factor, that is a number which is exact divisor of a number is a factor. Now let's take this example, 8yz minus 4xy plus 12x square y, 12mn minus 4mn square, 5yz. Are we able to find the factors of all these three? No, as we know that all these are algebraic expressions. So we are not able to find the factors of these algebraic expressions. So in this chapter, we are going to find out the factors of an algebraic expressions, as we are able to find the factors of any numerical value or any number. So in this same way, we will find the factors of algebraic expressions also. So here 5yz, this is an algebraic expression. So it can be written as 5 into y into z, where this 5, y and z, all these three are the factors of 5yz. Now question arises, why we are saying these 5y and z are the factors. Let us consider an example for this. 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. Now if we want to write the number 4, how can we write 4? 1 into 4, 2 into 2, or we can write 4 into 1. Now here 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4, and by using the product of these factors we are able to write the given number 4. So as 4 into 1, 4 and 1 are the factors. In the same way 5yz we can express as 5 into y into z. That meaning 5y and z are the factors of 5y, z. Clear? Now let us take 4x minus 24, x square minus 9x, 6w square y minus 8w y square, and another one example. Now all these four are given here are the algebraic expressions. Now are we able to find out the factors of these algebraic expressions? Yes, we are able to find out the factors of algebraic expressions. Let us learn about this, how to find the factors of these algebraic expressions. What are the methods? So as we know that algebraic expression, what is the algebraic expression? It is the combination of variables and constant with numerical operations. Also we know that algebraic expression also expressed in the form of its factors. So here the methods to find out the factors of algebraic expressions are factorizing using common factors, factorization by regrouping terms, and factorization using identities. So let us learn one by one the methods of factorization of an algebraic expression. So first method is factorization using common factors. Now meaning of this, as we know the highest common factor. That is, in the terms we have to find out what is the common factor in the given algebraic expressions, and we will write that highest common factor of the terms to the given algebraic expressions, which will be the factors. How it will be? Let us understand. Let's take this example x square minus 9x. Now here this x square minus 9x can be written as x into x minus 9 into x. Now in both the terms, in the first term x square and in the second term minus 9x, in both the terms x is common. So we can say x is common in both the terms. So rest of the quantities in the terms are, for in the first term x, in the second term minus 9. So we can say x into x minus 9. This is the factorization of the expression x square minus 9x. So this is the method of common factors. So here we can say x square minus 9x, when we factorize it, we get x into x minus 9. And when further it expand, we get algebraic expression x square minus 9x. Now the second method says by regrouping terms. As the word regrouping shows that what the quantities we are given, we have to arrange. That meaning in the terms we have to arrange. Okay, how we will perform it? Let us consider an example in this 12a plus n minus na minus 12. In these four terms, which are the algebraic expression, in all these four terms, now we have to rearrange the terms, that is regrouping the terms. So how it is? Let us consider it as we are observing this first term is 12a and the third term is minus na. In these two terms a is common, or we can consider second and third term n is common. So here what we are doing, 12 is factors of 12. Similarly in the second and third term, second and the third term, this n is common. So first and fourth term we are taking, and second and third term. As we know that a rearrange is possible in algebraic expression, we can write first term in place of third term or third term in place of fourth term. So by this we can write it as 12a minus 12 plus n minus na. Now from these two, first and the second term, we are taking this one term, 12 is common, and these third and fourth term, n is common. Only we arrange the terms as we are getting some number is common or some variable is common. So from first and second term we take 12 is common, so rest of the quantities are a minus 1. And in the second term, if we are taking n is common, so we get here minus a plus n. Okay, but here this in the first bracket it is given a minus 1. That's why we are taking in third and fourth term minus also common. So this minus n, when we are taking common from the third term, and this one we get a minus 1. So again here in this one, this is the first term, and n into a minus 1 is the second term. Now observe here, a minus 1 is common. Now here we use the common factor method, which was the previous method. So a minus 1 when we take common, so we get a minus 1 is common, so rest of the quantities in both the terms are 12 minus n. So here we can say a minus 1 and 12 minus n, these are the factors of this algebraic expression 12a plus n minus n a minus 12. So this is the method of regrouping terms. So factorization of algebraic expression is possible by the common factor as well as the regrouping of terms. So let us consider the problems. Common factor method we have to apply here. Find the common factor of the given terms. So let's take how we can perform it. 12x and 36 both can be written as 12x we can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into x. Similarly, this 36 can also be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. In all these terms, what we are observing, this 2 and 2 is common, again this 2 and 2 is common, and this 3 and this 3 is common. So what we can write here, common factors are 2, 2 and 3. So here this is the highest common factor. We can write 2 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 12. So here we can say 12 is the common factor in both the terms 12x and 36. Similarly, let us consider one more example, 2y, 22xy. So here 22xy and 2y we can write as 2 into y, that is 2y, and 22xy we can write 2 into 11 into x into y. So the common factors are 2 and y, or we can write as the product 2 into y, that is equals to 2y. So we can say the common factors in the terms 2y and 22xy are 2y. Again, in the same way, using the common factors, we can factorize the following expressions. 7x minus 42. Let us take 7x. Now this 42 can be written as product of 7 and 6. So 7x minus 7 into 6. Here in these two terms 7 is common, so we can take 7 common. So 7 into rest of the quantities from both the terms are x minus 6. So we can say 7x minus 42, it can be factorized as 7 into x minus 6. So 7 into x minus 6 is the factor of the given expression. Let's consider one more, minus 16z plus 20z cube. So minus 16z plus 20z cube can be written as minus 4 into 4 into z, as we know that 16 is 4 into 4, and 20 also we can write as 4 into 5 and z cube. Now in both the terms what we are observing, that 4 is common. Again this variable is also common, so we can take 4z is common from both the terms. So 4z is common, so rest of the quantities in the first term minus and this 4, and in the second term this 5, z and z. Okay, now this 5 into z we can write it as 5z square. So 4z into minus 4 plus 5z square, or it is written as 4z, 5z square minus 4. This is the factorization of the given expressions minus 16z plus 20z cube. So it's easy to find out the factors of the given expression using the common factors or regrouping the terms.